Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a rainbow heart. It is very easy. Just follow me. First we will draw the heart like this. Very good. Then we will draw some wavy lines like this. Very good. Time to add some color. First we will use red color. Then we will use parrot color. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Then we use orange color. Remember to try and stay inside the lines. It's okay if you go out a little bit. Just try your best. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. Like these. Very good. In the last we use pink color. Very good. Color it all in. No white spots left. Like these. Try to stay inside the lines. Like these. Very good. You did it very well. Very good. Almost done. Then we use black marker to make it stand out. Very good. And there you have it. Your rainbow heart is ready. Allah Hafiz.